connect with you all, and hopefully the connect will remain all my life till I breathe my last. This is what I always feel, and I'm going to say it again and again whenever I meet. Ajinkya, I love you, you know that, and Abhinay also, I love you the most. So, to be honest with you, I know Abhinay since quite a few years, and we've been working together, and more than the professional relationship, it's we've become almost like family, and but still, knowing him so well, knowing the family so well, but it came as a big surprise that he's an architect. So it came as a, I was pleasantly surprised, and I said, actually, you never told me that you're an architect. I said, no, sir, I've been an architect, and then home away from home, and which is here in Rajovilla, and so I'm very proud to be the owner, one of the first owners over here, and I'm looking forward to it, to going and spending my time, because it's beautiful. It's got a beautiful lake, the greenery, and of course, if I have to rejuvenate myself, the kind of for my family, for my children, and I said, like for example, now Sonam's not been well since quite a few days, and I think it's because of the entire the environment, which is terrible at the moment. So I think all of us, should have something where we can get out and relax. You get an instinct, you get a feeling, emotional feeling sometimes. And I have always felt when something comes to me, I really don't go very deep into it. But if I say it instantly, yes, that means there is definitely, till now everything has gone right. And hopefully by the grace of God and the blessings of all the elders who are here and all of you all, this venture is going to be hugely successful. Thank you so much. Definitely the first thing is, of course, Abhinay being an architect, and I've seen his work and the kind of planning and aesthetics and the work ethics which is, whenever he doesn't take up anything just for the sake of taking up. If he takes up a project, it has to be, there are so many times you do things with who's the person behind it. So when I came to know that Abhinay is behind it, that was the first. I'm being very honest with you. That was my first excitement that he's behind it. It has to be fabulous. And of course, when I met Santosh, and when I met him, I spoke to him, and then I realized even Santosh is a very intelligent guy. He's roped in the right person. He's also a businessman. So we all are very intelligent. I have roped him for 24. He's roped him over here. And what the result of 24 has been. So that's one of the reasons. And of course, as I said, when I spoke to you all, that is the whole location. Ultimately, as people say, that what is the first condition? It's always first, second, third. It's always the location. One is location, second is location, and third is location. So the best part about this project is the location. It's beautiful. It's fantastic.
इस वक्त देखिए मैं कुछ कह नहीं सकता. मेरा ध्यान सिर्फ मैं being very honest with you. But definitely देखिए हर आदमी कोशिश तो पूरी करता है, और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि जो हमारी सरकार है पूरी तरह कोशिश कर रही है और करेगी. मुझे उन पर पूरा भरोसा है. और आज जैसे कि आपने देखा कि अपने चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब फडणवीस साहब ने भी कहा है कि वो पूरा जोर लगा देंगे कि जितना हो सके वो कोशिश करेंगे कि किसी को कोई किस्म की तकलीफ ना हो. खेल के आ रहा हूँ ऑलरेडी. कल मैं बनारस में था परसों, वहाँ तो मैंने होली खेली ली. वहाँ तो होली ऑलरेडी शुरू हो चुकी है. तो फिर भी मैं आप सबको, देखने वालों को, होली की मुबारकबाद देता हूँ, और कि ये होली जो है इस साल की होली सबसे बेहतरीन होली रहे, रंग बिरंगी रहे. मैं चेन्नई हूँ होली में. मैं रहमान साहब को मिलने जा रहा हूँ. वो मुझे कहीं ले जा रहा है, तो रहमान साहब के साथ होली. हाँ जी, उसके बारे में बात